Today, let's have a chat about an essential piece of safety gear that keeps our heads protected on the job: hard hats. Hard hats are more than just fashion statements. They're designed to shield us from potential head injuries caused by falling objects, accidental bumps, or even electrical hazards. So, let's dive in and understand why wearing them is crucial. Protection first. Hard hats guards your head from falling tools, debris, or any objects that might come crashing down unexpectedly. They act as a protective shell, absorbing the impact and reducing the risk of serious injury. It's a team effort. Wearing a hard hat isn't just for your own safety, it's for the safety of everyone in the work area. When everyone wears their hard hat, we create a culture of safety within the workplace. Know the risks. Different work environments bring different hazards. So, it's important to assess the potential hazards of your specific job site. Keep it in shape. Just like any tool, hard hats require proper maintenance. Regularly inspect your hard hat for cracks, dents, or any signs of wear and tear. If you notice any damage, it's time to replace it. A damaged hard hat won't provide the same level of protection. Fit matters. A well-fitting hard hat is essential for maximum effectiveness. Ensure your hard hat is the right size and adjust the suspension system for a snug and comfortable fit. Nobody wants a loose hard hat sliding off their head. Do not modify your hard hat, please. Customization can be fun, but when it comes to hard hats, it's best to stick to the original design. Avoid drilling holes, adding stickers, or making modifications, as they can weaken the structure and compromise its protective capabilities. Hard hats are only effective when they're on our heads. Let's be mindful and wear them at all times when working in areas where there's a risk of head injuries. Accidents can happen in the blink of an eye, so it's better to be safe than sorry. Always remember to follow your company's hard hat policy. If you're unsure when to wear one, discuss it with your supervisor. To recap, wearing hard hats at all times when overhead hazards exist is important to keep you safe from injuries. Let's prioritize our safety and make sure we're all rocking those hard hats whenever needed. Take care and have a safe day.
Did you know that in 2020, a study conducted by the Associated Builders and Contractors found that daily safety toolbox talks lead to a remarkable 82% reduction in total recordable incident rates compared to those conducted monthly? The study shows that the frequency of toolbox talks directly correlates with incident rates. Consistent safety toolbox talks lead to less accidents, which is why many companies this year are using Safely EO to create and schedule these talks weeks and months in advance, so your team will be consistently reminded of the job hazards and safety protocols. You get access to Safely EO's Toolbox Talk library that comes with hundreds of text-based and video-based toolbox talks that covers any industry. The Toolbox Talk app makes it easy for your employees and supervisors to consume safety talks from their own mobile devices and acknowledge its completion at the click of a button. All completed safety talks are tracked, and the data can be exported and available for use. The platform digitizes your safety talks process, so you can focus on what really matters: keeping your team safe and informed. Don't wait until it's too late. Workplace incidents can cost your company millions in liability, lost productivity, and damaged reputation. To learn more, just click the link in the description of this video to request a quick demo.